In this video, we're going to go over how to log into the Illinois workNet system and how to access the Apprenticeship Illinois group. When you go to illinoisworknet.com, you're going to come down here and click the login button. You're going to type in your username and your password. And then click sign in. Under dashboard, you're going to click the down arrow and you're going to scroll over to the partner tools. You're going to find the customer support center and click it. What that has done is it has taken me here and it is showing me the groups or the programs that I have access to in Illinois WorkNet. To access Apprenticeship Illinois, click on the group. And it is going to drop you here on the Customers tab.